So I was this close to buying Sandcastles AI, like card in hand, cursor hovering over the button, but something felt off. Not bad, just familiar. I've been around long enough to know when an AI tool looks a little too good on the website. So I stopped, and I tested it for step 1, why I even looked at it. I wasn't hunting for some miracle tool. I'm just tired of wasting time on repetitive stuff. Writing, tweaking, rewriting. Sandcastles AI promised to make that easier. That's it. That's the reason. Step 2, first time inside the tool. When I logged in, my first thought was, okay, this isn't overwhelming. Everything was simple, clean, calm, which is nice, but also dangerous because simple tools sometimes hide weak results. Step 3, actually using it. I tried a few real tasks, nothing fancy. Some outputs were solid, others felt half-baked, like the AI got tired halfway through, and that's when it clicked. This tool doesn't replace your brain, it just gives you a head start. Step 4, the good and the annoying. Here's what I liked. It saved me time. It gave decent starting points. It didn't fight me with a bad interface. Here's what annoyed me. Results weren't consistent. I still had to edit a lot. Expecting done for you will disappoint you. Step 5, who this is actually for. If you want help, Sandcastles AI makes sense. If you want perfection without effort, this isn't it. Think of it like a rough draft machine, not a finished product factory. Final thoughts. So yeah, before buying Sandcastles AI, lower your expectations a bit. It's useful, it's not magic, and it definitely won't replace you. But if you use it the right way, it can make your work lighter, and that's not nothing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.